Today, let's do another episode on gratitude. Not only should we be grateful for the Creator, God, Goddess, our spirit guides, or whatever you believe, but we should also be grateful for Mother Earth, the animals, especially those of the east, the eagle, to the west, brown bear, to the north, the white buffalo, and to the south, wolf. We should treat Mother Earth and all the living with kindness and respect. We are created equal. It's what we do to protect Mother Earth and ourselves that is important. Stay grateful and kindest to all the living. Remember to plant a tree and hug a tree. We wouldn't be here without them.